Please be seated. Woo! Borodar Pau, Pat Young Dwi, a croeso cynnes I graddio Prifysgol Gaerdydd. Good morning, everyone. I'm Pat Young, Chair of Cardiff University's governing body, the University Council, and I want to extend to you all a warm welcome to our Cardiff University 2026 graduation ceremonies. To our graduands, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations to all of you here today, our brilliant class of 2026, as we celebrate the achievements of our students in our School of Earth and Environmental Sciences and the School of Engineering. While you've been with us, you've learned in partnership with our academic and professional services staff. Those in our School of Engineering have been trained on complex and interdisciplinary engineering problems from day one. You leave as technical innovators and creators of the future, and along the way, you have proved yourselves already in multiple ways. Our Earth and Environmental Science students have learned about the evolution of the Earth, its life, and how the planet is responding to our current unprecedented time of environmental change. If you want to know where we're going, look to the past, and those students are well placed to help us navigate that way. And I speak myself as a student who graduated from Cardiff University in geology 40 years ago. Your schools want you to know you have the knowledge, talent, and humanity to be a positive force for good in your field. And not just in your field of study, but in the wider world. We live in an age of keyboard warriors and instant experts, but your Cardiff qualification is evidence to the world of your academic achievement and proof that you're ambitious, passionate, and have a brilliant mind. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that brings. Be brave. Thank you too for all that you have brought to your school and our university community. Your school and all of us are very proud of you. For now, your job is to sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and enjoy this moment. To all of the family and friends here today, you are here because you are also proud, and as your loved ones cross the stage, please make sure they notice you are here. This is Cardiff. This is not Swansea or Bristol, this is Cardiff. So we want to hear you. We need lots of loud and enthusiastic applause. Do not hold back. Llongyfarchiadau, class of 26, congratulations. I now have the pleasure of introducing Cwmwl ap Myrddin. Cwmwl will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Many of you will have encountered Gwyneth's work before in the form of the 6-foot-high words, which are thought to be the largest poem in the world, which are on the front of the Wales Millennium Centre. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the School of Physics and Astronomy at Cardiff University and is now an honorary fellow. The poem, Education, was specially commissioned by Cardiff University.
Education gan Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddi a feiddio gwella dy wneud. Myna geisio parcha ddweud. Traws newidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol mentor o bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is a simple delight in mind and its motions, scintillates but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institute in the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortens distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf nawr yn darllen y datganiad, yn gyntaf yn Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd wedi'w harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi'w cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy ei cyflawniadau wasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am yr agoriaeth ym mhob peth, a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoeth uneb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith ac wirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation and in doing so remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek through their achievements to strive the common good, to strive for excellence on all things and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Symai, cynwal dwi a fyd i'ch is-lywydd y Gymraeg yn undeb myfyrwyr Caerdydd eleni. Hello, I'm Cynwal, the Vice President Cymraeg, the Welsh language at Cardiff Students' Union this past year. Llongyfarchiadau chi gyd. Mae'n anhygoel cael sefyll o'ch blaen chi yma heddiw yn dathlu'ch llwyddiannau. Llongyfarchiadau, it is a privilege to be standing here today, celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy for you to get here. Each of you have faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment, but you've made it. And that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that's brought you here today. Byddwch yn falch o'ch llwyddiant ac eich taith unigryw chi sydd wedi'ch arwain chi yma heddiw. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was the first time moving away from home, whether that's from Llanrug, Llanelli, or Llanbleddian. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story. And no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. Mi fydd Caerdydd wastad yn le allwch chi alw'n adra. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with life experiences, opportunities and memories that will last you a lifetime. Whether it was pulling all-nighters in the ASSL, late-night YOLOs, dawnsio yng Nghlwb Ifor Bach, or quiet walks and coffee in Bute Parks. You've made it through. Ti di neud o. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you've been equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. Gwynebwch y dyfodol gyda hyder I oresgyn unrhyw rwystyr a ddaw eich ffordd. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. And we wish you all the best. Dymuniadau gorau chi'n eich cam nesaf yn eich stori chi. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Congratulations, class of 2026. Llongyfarchiadau mawr chi yr addedigion 2026.
Good morning. I'm Professor Wendy Lana. I'm the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University, and it's an enormous privilege to be here today to warmly welcome all the students to receive their awards. This is the part of the ceremony that you've been waiting for, where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Please do, as we've already suggested, Celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage by clapping, by cheering, or perhaps even with a little whooping. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. It is our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Twai'r adyrod o raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol, dyfaniach chi a gael i'ch dyfaniad a hofrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol llongyffaciadau. I now introduce Professor Jennifer Pike, Head of the School of Earth and Environmental Sciences, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Jennifer Pike, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Sophie Abdillah. William Aitchison. George Aiken Moss. James Alcock. Megan Sophie Angel. Lucy Anthony. Samuel Armstrong. Eleanor Abigail Ayers. Rihanna Elizabeth Bailey. Elliot Baines. Thomas Barlas. Holly Barry. Corbin Bates. Benjamin Brian Thomas Beckett. Emilia Bevan. Seren Biggin. Louis Bohill. Abigail Brace. Benjamin Brady. Benjamin Christopher John Bragg. Precious Jackie Joan Bryan. William Bryson. Charles Burns. Daniel John Bushnell. Emily Jane Byram. Eleanor Louise Caffrey. James Canning. Lewis Chilton. Oscar Daniel Claridge. Freya Clark. Rowan Clayton. Lois Fiona Cleave. Esme Clifford. Joe Clark James. Anwen Crawford. Angelo DeLuce. Millie Daniel. Benjamin Henry Davis. David Maidman. Benjamin Jonathan Davis. Eleanor Grace Davis. Kai Ellis Davis Belcher. Neve Delamar. Millen Dewan. James Dibble. Annabella Downing. Jasper Dudley. Alfred Jim Dudson. Xavier Dunn. William Stewart Dyer. Adam Eckhart. Lily Ellis. Holly Engstrom. Bethan Evans. Ellen Meyer Davis. Ella Evans. Olivia Louise Evans. Daisy Eloise Farmer. Charlie Fern. Matilda Firth. Sophie Fisher. Isaac Flewers. Annabelle Foster. Faye Victoria Jean Foster. Eleanor Freeman. Felix Freeman. Ben Frost. Daniel James Galloway. Annie Elizabeth Garrett. Eloise India Victoria Stewart Garth. Sadie Gatfield. Samuel Gilbert. Alice Gitters Davis. Charlie Graham. Sophie May Cufferow Grant. Kendall Green. Hannah Griffith. Lila Gronbach. Thomas Grover. Florence Gunn. Kate Gural. Ellis James Hacker. Charlotte Haddon White. Evelyn Alice Hall. Jack Handford. Joshua Thomas Harder. Thomas Harrington. Hamish Finley Harris. Jessica Hassel. Angus Richard Hatfield. Jack Hawkins. Emily Catherine Hawkrigg. Emily Hay. Max William Hayward. Owen Hill. Freddie Honeybone. Oliver Richard Honeyman. Isabel Humphrey. Stephen Jose Christopher Hyatt. Alexander Ivy. Lily Johnson. Lauren Jessica Jones. Nisha Wangshui Jones. Miles Joseph. Rachel Helen Kay. Oliver Charles Kirk. Mia Nicole Knight. James Adam Lake. Daniel Jacob Lana. Maisie Lewis. Mariana Linsell. Ellie Mae Linton. Hannah Lloyd. Emma Jane Lodge. Rebecca Luff. Emily Mason. Henry Mason. Isla Mattock. Theo Fraser McBain. Samantha McClintock. Jemima McHugh. Louisa Mackay. Lola McLaughlin. Lily McCohen Wilson. Mia Melody. Robert Christopher Mildred. Jess Merck. Thomas Montgomery. Thomas Morris. Kyle Ed Morrison. Megan Irie Dafford Morse. Lily Cecilia Robin Murphy. Enya Nair. Maya Nicholson. Lee Fugent. George Old. Ella Jane Saunders Orchard. Connor Gregory Packer. Constance Palmer. Luke Pierce. Olivia Fanula Pease. Theon Perry. Jack Phillips. Alex Pinnington. Joseph Price. Megan Price. Holly Quick. William Rakes. Millie Jessica Rules. Corey Reagan. Oscar John Fletcher Rivance. Katie Ricketts. Becca Floyd Roberts. Molly Roberts. Caleb Robbins. Sky Robinson Roderick. Jacob Salisbury. Hayden McCoy Sands. Kate Joanne Seddon. Emily Sharp. Tilly Short. Tara Singh. Kai Smith. Georgia Smith. Rachel Alice Smith. Samuel William Giles Smith. Craig Stovin. Jessica Strong. Holly Stiles. William Thomas Sussex. Joseph Townley. Nyan Verma. Edward Vestringer. Josephine Wayne. Isabel Walkman. Beth Waller. Andrew Walsh. Harvey Webb. Erin Imogen Webster. Hannah Wedge. Phoebe West. Kyle Nicholas Frank Wheeler. Samuel White. Sarah Louise White. John Davidson Whitton. Luke Aston Wilson. Thomas Ellis Wintle. Claudia Wojner. Nancy Wright. Harry Wicks. Hayden Yeomans. I, Professor Jennifer Pike, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Science. Caris Berland. Kyla Gwyneth Candia Kamama. Joseph Mark Harvey. Thomas Hepper. Jack William Norris. William Neil Pound. Henry Charles Watson Smith.
I, Professor Alan Kwan, introduce those who have received the Certificate of Higher Education. Sheikh Khadija Ali. I, Professor Alan Kwan, introduce those who have received the Diploma of Higher Education. Frederick James Smith. I, Professor Alan Kwan, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Engineering. Muhammad Al-Haned Abdullah. Muhammad Abdul Samad. Adil Abdi. Nabila Abdul Rashid Owoduni. Joseph Alexander Abu Nasser. Abdurrahim Anemanari Ibrahim Yusuf Ahmed. Ryan Nasser Muhammad Malik Al-Maskari. Judy Al-Museli. Hamza Saleh Ali Al-Saadi. Muhammad Alaga. Yusuf Al-Ahlamad. Abdullah Al-Akri. Shauna Al-Atrushi. Amar Al-Ajil. Dalal Al-Hagan. Jude Al-Hassan. Faye Salem Al-Asari. Muhammad Imran Ali. Amna Al-Lissa. Abdullah Ali Al-Khatami. Doa Al-Matha Al-Mahuri. Maha Al-Sa'ad. Abdurrahman Al-Salal. Al-Retaj Al-Sharifi. Kinda Al-Shahab. Janan Al-Sugayay. Charles Richard Roland Arthubald. Santiago Adela. James Peter Ronald Arnold. Ahmad Ashtal. Bexman Augustine. William Baker. Yahya Barakat. Fergus Barnes. Jacob Alexander Barton. Samuel James Bourne. Haiba Bello. Michael Gabriel Bennett. William John Bentley. Aran Singh Barma. Riz Khan. Nu Patricia Shazwin binti Budley Shah. James Blake. Alfio Michael Boccaccini. Yergli Bokshap. Evan Mark Bolden. Dylan Luke Branigan. Seth Asplund Butler. Brandon John Cahill. Tom William Capel. Robert Stanley Carter. Sean Jerome Carty. Sebastian Leo Chang. Trike Chauhan. Beulah Daisy Christopher. Katie Elizabeth Chua. Thomas Patrick William Clark. Daniel Cook. Rowan Martin Cruikshank. Sebastian Zachary Cutlip. Charles Peter Custin. Jaden Oliver Danta. Sean Ellis Davis. Rupert William Benjamin Dean. Jake Dougal. Gregor James Dover. James Mark Dunningham. Louis Jamie Eaton. Daniel David Edwards. Hassan Mahmoud Hassan Abdulmak El-Dib. Lojan Ahmad Adel Mustafa Al-Haddad. Rawan Hatim Sahwat Al-Husseini. Emmanuel Nakanga Musa Alicia. Hatim Saleh Muhammad Al-Madawi. Dawi Gwyn Endres. Zara Esther Idara Enobasi. Joshua Tabudlo Enrique. Marcos Benzira Evangelista. Edward Robert Evans. Stefan Thomas Evans. Craig Joseph Fellows. Thomas Fernandez. Archie Mack Fieldhouse. Rory Duncan Fleming. Benjamin Graham Forsyth. Anwar Abdi. Cheyenne Rosemary Frey. Olivia Grace Froome. Oliver James Fulbrook. Catherine Lara Gillett. Zachary Andrew Gill Smith. Abdullah Yunis Guala. Daniel Carter Graham. Natasha Katie Griffiths. Samira Gumbel. Angus Dominic Andrew Hamilton. Jacob Priest James Hancock. Benjamin Alexander Hart. Abdullah Hassan. Jan Hodgkiss. Zoe Ellen Hunter. Fahim Islam. Kamal Ismail. Henry William James. Adrian Francisek Yasla. Thomas Henry J. Quinley Wilson Genoway. Max William Johnson. Elias Glean Mars Jones. Ewan Oliver Jack Jones. Isabel Rhea Jones. Benjamin Tobias Kaiser. Tarun Kapoor. Sayyida Salim Kamali. Moise Kayembe. Louis Maxwell Alexander Keith. Joseph Lawrence Coyle Kelly. Alicia Kaziban. Danish Khan. Colin Timothy Nose. Alexander Konienko. Jeremy Stanley Krizel. Pratush Kuikel. Ting Lok Kwok. Yanela Lago. Anna Rebecca Lane. Dario Leong Yun Ming. Evania Georgina Victoria Livingston. Nishma Rayani Lianage Donna. Yusuf Hassan Brown Lockie. Oscar Maybon. Shiluva Macheke. Yusuf Mahmoud. Reese Daniel Malcolm. Faris Ali Mania. Richard Mann. Samib Marasini. Guerrero Maramako. Loic Joseph Marshall. Aaron James Martin. Alex Masuras. Joshua Paul McOwen. Ioannis Michalis. Jonathan Onomoloyos. Jasper Philip Mons Maris. Syed Muntasib. Ongforn Mayat. Adarsh Vinod Nair. Joseph Sujan Nix. Tabitha Nyongoya. Joshua O'Brien. Lachlan O'Hare. Adam O'Mahony. Archie Organ. Robert Otts. James Alexander Owen. Jennifer Need Owens. Pilaj Don Sahif Vidushka Nakara. Matthew Henry Parfit. Toby James Renee Park. Dylan Ritesh Patel. Ellen Catherine Payne. Sebastian Pender. Ellis Pico. Thomas Pittman. Louis William Ponting. Finton Ben Price. Thomas William Purchase. Adam Radwan. Kishan Rajari. Zahra Ramadan. Jared Morley Randerson. Jordan David Rees. Mark John Rees. J. Liam Richards. Ewan Richardson. Jibril Salah. Habib Sharif. Gaurav Shenagari. Sami Sihani. Benjamin Simpson. James Simpson. Shivang Singh. Aaron Sond. Thomas Henry Squire. John Ayub Albert Asuraji. Thomas Stevens. Gayathri Suresh. Liliana May Inue Tan Zuhuan Tan. Maysan Tazi. Rithishan Terence. Ellis Johan Kesare Thomas. Jerome Philip Thomas. Ali Tilke. Daniel Timokov. Max William Townsend. Jaden Francis Kin Young Treen. Amelia Underwood. Gabriel Fandri Camones. Lee Martin Vaughan. Speranza Vangari. Callum Webber. Esme Christina Megan White. Hugo Robert McCoach Wilkie. Ben Jason Williams. Cameron David Williams. Kieran James Williams. Joshua Josiah Witt. Louis Franklin Woodruff. Henry Michael Wormwell. Jack Alexander Wright. Mianji Hugo Wu. Davin Yahatugada. Nida Ashtani. Ewan Jack Brew. Ethan Jude Campbell Ball. Thomas Threes Evans. Mingshan Chung. Salman Ismail. Hussein Hardan Hassan. Thomas Francis Joyce. Harry Kempton. Gabriel David McFarlane. Ala Jenkin Morgan. Isa Abdul Rashid. Iverogeni Otenetega Onaibo. I, Professor Alan Kwan, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Engineering. Jed Adam Ali. Benjamin Robert Avery. Nigel Badawi. Fenton Booth. Isabella Brewster. Thomas Kane. Aliza Chowdhury. James Corbin. Jake Harry Cooney. Jessica Violet Crabb. Mazin Deep. Ahmad Diri. Oscar Donovan. Joseph Doyle. Jonathan Duddington. Ellis Griffith Edwards. Thomas Antier Edwards. Sami El Husseini. Max Casper Ellison. Thomas Errington. Griffith Evans. Matthew Selwyn Evans. Owen Evans. Maria Ella Garavnu Faranil. Bradley Finch. Emily Lana Foggin. Robert Michael Gali. William Alexander Wallington Glenn. Hannah Gray. George Griffin. Imran Tahir Hanif. Joseph James Isaac Hawkins. Benjamin Alfred Heath. Samuel Peter Jack Horton. Ethan Jack Hughes. Zephyrin Joseph Hustin. Tom Hughes. Lewis Ingram. Samuel James Ingram. Rashid Jalil. Toby Philip James Jeffs. Alex John Jones. Benjamin Jordan. Raul James Thomas Joseph. Alexander Harry Kenyon. Alfie King. Ibrahim Keo. Sarah Aisha Kuti. Jack Lambert. Morgan Isaac Donovan Lauter. Joseph Thomas Carledo. Aidan Lee. Ariane Elspeth Limmer. Morgan Lacka. Oscar Linares Perales. Oscar Loverseed. Akila Longa Monlet. Daniel Marushenko. Bruel Marie Mascarenhas. Ben Tom Matthews. Lauren Matthews. Owen Mays. Nur Shazwan Binti Mazli. Louise McDonald. Nicole McInnes. James McLaughlin. Stephen Ryan Milton McConnell. Fabio Max Miranda. Zuhairi bin Muhammad Yusuf. Aoife Moore. Elizabeth Morgan. William Oscar Moxie. Harith Amgad Abdul Qadir Naif. King Ming Ng, Peter Miles Perriman Noyce, Kindi Pang Moy Nyun, Rukia Panchbaya, Jemima Amy Panthin, Henry Nicholas Inkodu de Paris, Kiran Patel, Maria Pavel, Jakub Pavlak, Liam Anthony Phillips, Alexander Ernest Russell Polden, Daniel David Graham Poole, Holly Louise Postles, Nathaniel Powys, Remo Alexander Prakalva, Heiko Ongu Rashid, Tom Cameron Reed, Eden Rees, Jack Gareth Rees, George Ripper, Morgan James Robertson, James Rogers, Thomas Gabriel Rothwell, Tejaswini Rayavanasabavan, Reese Thomas Seenan, Jonathan Terence Seeks, Will Sharp, Matt Sybil, Ewan James Smith, Ajitish Srinivasan, Darshan Sudasan, Parvati Shirish Kumar Nair, Masa Tavanga, Jack Joshua Thayer, Reese Morgan Thomas, Tara Fadzawa Vambe, Jacob Brody van der Meer, Eleanor Agnes Voice, Archie Thomas Webster, Kai Aaron Whitson, Edward Francis Whitten, Lucas Nicholas Williams, Callum Willington, Bethan Wimpney, Alicia Mikhailina Vishnieska, Lakshmisha Krishnappa, the Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toi ardurad a raddwyd mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfaniach chi a gael ec dyfaniad a hol ffrintiael a ddal enesgel llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Vivek Adana. Khalid Al-Zaidi. Saeed Al-Said. Muntara Arab. Haja Baroun. Ravi Teja Bolanelli. Rishav Bose. Nathan Burke. Samuel Campbell Lendrum. Cameron Carter. Amit Shikudi. Angelo Davis. Robert Dimitrov. Layla Donaldson. Jason D'Souza. Alex Duthie. Oshan Edwards. Charles Louis Litterjean Fraser. Napasuma Kwakwaton. Sophie Hadlington. Adam Hassan. Leah Monique Elisa Hobson. Pratithi Jayakumar. Brad Ashley Jones. Caitlin Olivia Johns. Harshvada Anand Kale. Edwin Solomon Kutkadan Saju. Sheikh Faisal Mahmood. Zainab Salui Mena. Sagnik Maju Merda. Mohammed Mobeen Malik. Max Charles Maywood. Sharon Knee. Harshan Nita Hemat Nikam. Mohammed Zakaria Noor. Jayjanath Prabhakaran. Samuel Charles Llewellyn Price. Ella Courtney. Sophia Reed. Sophie Reeve. Yuma Rigoli. Sam Roberts. Emma Rosser. Omer Sabir. Mohammed Senin. Khalil Tattoos. Jamie Thomas. Imke Tregner. Josie Turner. Shashank V. Reddy. Jack Lewis Vincent. Thomas Jack Walsh. Sean Aidan Way. Daniel Worthington. I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Philosophy. Nirinthra Fernando. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Twy ardyrod a raddoed y mi gen y brifysgol. Dybannech chi a gael eich dyfaniad a rhowffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgael llongyffaciadau. please be seated.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers, who will doff in return. I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the posthumous Doctor of Philosophy, Dr. Uman Gozati. Thank you. Uman had studies for his PhD at Cardiff School of Engineering and had submitted his dissertation on the design of integrated electronics for sustainable wireless systems. He had already found a specialist job in research and development while waiting for the Viva Voce examination. Uman was a committed and dedicated student who had already earned his MSc from Cardiff and decided to pursue doctoral studies. It was the right choice for him, as he proved he could deliver at the highest level in a very competitive scientific field. He was never afraid of working hard. He was curious and creative, careful and rigorous. Uman had a rare gift for connecting with people from all walks of life, also through his artistic side as a musician. He touched many lives, and these connections will carry his light forward. Put simply, he approached all aspects of life with enthusiasm and dedication. His family, who are with us here today, can be justly proud of all that he achieved. Tragically, Uman did not get the chance to defend his PhD in the Viva Voce. Nevertheless, today we want to recognize, commemorate, and celebrate his significant achievements during his time at Cardiff School of Engineering and at Cardiff University. It is therefore entirely appropriate for Cardiff University to honor Uman's achievements. Today, this university is proud to confer on Uman Gozati a thoroughly deserved posthumous degree award. I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Taha Guima K. Aborakis. Dr. Jalila Abrahami. Dr. Salel Al-Dashwari. Dr. Mubarak Al-Dosari, Dr. Nasir Musa Al-Kahatani, Dr. Mohammed Sahran Al-Zaini, Dr. Yusa Al-Mukhtar, Dr. Ayman Al-Mutaka, Dr. Mazin Al-Kwahafmi, Dr. Ahmed Mohamed Asawadi, Dr. Neila Al-Turagi, Dr. Marco Alvizedo, Dr. Amireza Amerzipur, Dr. Alex Baddeley, Dr. Arthur Howard Collier, Dr. Jordan Davis, Dr. Ibrahim Mohamed Dagani, Dr. Murat Duran, Dr. Alan Escarado, Dr. Anturada Sharma Venkata Gulapali, Dr. Christoph Jakubjak, Dr. Tom Jessel, Dr. Arshalan Jaweed Lambe, Dr. Rujing Lei, Dr. Andri Nicholas Mena, Dr. James Manley, Dr. Nurida Binti Mout Sharif, Dr. Gwynfor Morgan, Dr. Elliot Joseph O'Malley, Dr. Nicola Rical, Dr. Wesley Sampson, Dr. Kai Lewis Silva, Dr. Robin Vivoli, Dr. Benjamin White, Dr. Lancy Hsu, Dr. Lali Hsu, Dr. Sai Zair, Dr. Xuan Zhang, Dr. Xiang Zhao, the Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able? Toe awdurdod a raddwyd y mi gan y brifysgol, dyfaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hoffrent iaw, a ddaw yn ysgol, llong y ffaciadau. Please be seated.
Bore da, everyone. Good morning. Laura Trevelyan Idwi, Canhethlo Prifysgol i Gaerdydd. I'm Laura Trevelyan. I'm very proud to be the Chancellor of Cardiff University, and I do hold a postgraduate diploma in journalism from here, back from 1990. It's my great pleasure this morning to introduce our alumni speaker, Beverly Gower-Jones. Beverly is a proud Cardiff graduate in mining geology, just like the Chair of Council, Pat Young, with over 40 years' experience in the international energy sector. Beverly is founder and managing partner of Clean Growth Investment Management. It's a venture capital fund investing in early-stage UK clean tech companies. And she's the CEO of Carbon Limiting Technologies. A recognised leader in the field of clean technology investment, Beverly was awarded an OBE in 2023 for services to net zero innovation. She's chair of the investment committee at Great British Energy and a fellow of the Energy Institute. And by the way, Beverly worked on an oil rig shortly after graduation, and she was the subject of an ITV documentary, Women Working Offshore. So we are honoured to have Beverly with us today, and she's going to share some congratulatory words with you. Beverly.
Do not go gentle into that good night. Vice-Chancellor, distinguished guests, proud families, and most importantly, graduates, congratulations. I sat roughly where you're sitting now, one of the first women to study mining geology at Cardiff, and often the only woman in the room. Being in the minority has its advantages. When you're the only one, everyone remembers you. And it just means someone has to go first. It might as well be you. Last summer, I watched my own daughter graduate, and somewhere between the pride and emotion, I had a slightly alarming realization. It was 40 years since I graduated. So I organised a class of 85 reunion. We watched Wales beat Italy. I should say the highlight was watching my daughter graduate, but Wales won. Some of those friends I hadn't seen in decades, and we picked up exactly where we left off. The friendships you make here, in the lab, on the field trips where everything goes wrong, in the pub afterwards, those are for life. Invest in them. They will matter more than you know. Now back to 1985. I had a plan, and like most good plans, it lasted about 6 weeks. I stayed on in Cardiff, selling double glazing by day and working nights in the burger bar to clear my overdraft, eating chips with curry sauce from Caroline Street after last orders. If you know, you know. Eventually, I went home to Suffolk. Underground mining jobs for women were scarce, to put it politely. So I pivoted to petroleum geology. I spent a week walking around Aberdeen, CV in hand, knocking on doors. It worked. Shell hired me. Soon after, my mum needed help with the mortgage, so the round-the-world trip I planned went on hold. But Shell hosted me to Brunei, largely, I suspect, because I'd asked them often enough. From there, work took me around the world. Not the route I'd planned, a better one. The lesson. There is always a way, even if it's not the one you first thought of. Don't fall in love with your plan that you miss the opportunity standing right next to it. Outside of work, I took up scuba diving, eventually reaching instructor-examiner level. What it taught me was unexpected: leadership, and how to stay calm 30 meters down when things go wrong. The things you do outside work aren't a distraction. They're part of building your career. And a word about people. When you can do someone a favor, do it. Not because you'll get something back, though often you will, but because careers are built on relationships. A door opened for me in Aberdeen by someone who didn't have to, changed the course of my life. My career has taken sharp turns, and yours will too. I spent years developing oil and gas fields. Now I run the Clean Growth Fund, 100 million backing clean UK technology companies. Poacher turned gamekeeper, you might say. I'd call it growth. I followed my instinct. Net zero isn't just the right thing to do. It's a multi-trillion-pound market. And the world needs people who understand the earth beneath their feet and can build what comes next. That's exactly what you have. Use it. In 2023, I was awarded an OBE for services to net zero innovation, the highlight of my career. But it didn't come from doing the easy thing. It came from backing my convictions when the conformist path was right there. Independent thinking is uncomfortable. It's also what matters most. There is a Welsh proverb, gorau arf dysg. The best weapon is learning. You have just spent years learning how to think, how to interrogate data, challenge assumptions, and deal with complexity. That is rare and powerful. The world you're graduating into needs people who aren't afraid to ask hard questions, who knock on doors, ask for opportunities, and change their minds when the evidence demands it. Great British Energy, where I serve as non-executive director, exists because the world needs exactly the skills you've built. That's not an abstract ambition, it's a job description, and it has your name on it. Wherever you go from here, go with curiosity, go with generosity, Go with perseverance to keep knocking on doors. And if you're heading out to celebrate tonight, chips with curry sauce, Caroline Street. Trust me. Do not go gentle into that good night. Dylan Thomas told us to rage, rage against the dying of the light. You are earth scientists and engineers. That light is now quite literally in your hands. Go rage. Congratulations to all of you. Now go and do something remarkable.
It's hard to think 42 years ago when we met at Freshers' Week that we'd end up here today. A really, really powerful speech, and graduates, please take it on board. A lot of really good advice in there. Anyway, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations everyone. You are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Now, Cardiff alumni are great global citizens. Some are activists and have high profiles, others are quiet, solid contributors to their communities. Cardiff has given you more than a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and to challenge conventional wisdom. You've shown a willingness, determination and spirit, which are the real hallmarks of a Cardiff University graduate. For some of you, today will be tinged with sadness as you say goodbye to Cardiff, this vibrant, colourful and diverse city which has been the backdrop to your journey through university. But Cardiff University will always be your university. And as our alumni community, we want you back here often to tell us how you're doing. This Friday night, over 1,000 alumni will be here for our first ever big reunion weekend, reconnecting and reflecting on how Cardiff helped shape their lives. We hope that you will join us next year, and that is my invitation to you all. Now, wherever life takes you, we hope that you'll be a flag bearer for our university and carry forward our values of kindness and generosity of spirit. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. And we hope you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. Before we close the ceremony, there is one last Cardiff University tradition we need to uphold. Whilst today is all about your achievements, it isn't something that you've done on your own. You've been supported by family, friends, and of course your lecturers throughout your degree. So can I ask all of the new graduates to stand if they are able? Okay. Everyone in the arena made a lot of noise for you. Now is your turn to make even more noise to thank them, Diolch yn fawr, for the contributions they've made to your success. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I did say earlier that this was Cardiff, not Bristol or Swansea. You are engineers, and I know that humanities students make much, much, much more noise. So we're going to do that. That was the warm-up. We're going to do it now, again, and properly. Can we hear it, please, for the family and friends who've taken you on this journey? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Please be seated. That was much more like it. Thank you all. They couldn't have done it without you, and we recognise that. Now, to close our celebrations, here is a film welcoming you to the Cardiff University alumni family. Enjoy it. At the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves and our ceremony draws to a close. Feel free to dance if you want to. Thank you for joining us today, and congratulations once again to the class of 2026. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Good luck. Pob lwc.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi. What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe. The new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli, people who tried to shelter us with broken brollies, people who helped us find our limits and push them out the way, people who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto high-lyfryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late-night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi. What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.